All right, what's up guys? I just wanted to do a quick walk around of my 2017 Mustang GT to show off the wheel spacers in specific. If you're looking for wheel spacers, the best bet that I found is 1 inch. That's what I ended up putting on my car. It's got 1 inch Titan wheel spacers. You can kind of see the plate back there in between the hub and wheel. It's 1 inch all the way around. It doesn't rub. You don't have to cut anything. This is stock ride height from factory, so this is about the look you're gonna get. I have track pack wheels on, so they don't really poke out much from factory. So the 1 inch wheel spacers just kind of give them a flush look, I guess. The only other thing I did, I bought new lugs, put black spline lugs on there because Ford lugs suck and swell over time and you can't fit a socket on there anymore. So I did this in my driveway, super easy. Just torque them down to 150 foot-pounds, which is what Mustangs require, and you're good to go. This is a rear view, kind of see how much poke it's got, and then a overhead of the rear view. Doesn't stick out past the body line, which is nice. And then I'll do the same for the front. Bang, and then overhead. It looks great, doesn't compromise ride quality, it's super easy to do, and it's a small mod that probably not a lot of people notice, but makes the car look 10 times better once you do notice it. So with that being said, I appreciate everyone for watching. I hope this helped out, and I'll see you guys next time.